everyone. Reality of life. When you give importance to people, they think you are always free, but they don't understand that you make yourself available to them every time. Behavior is always greater than a knowledge, because in life there are many situations where a knowledge fails but behavior can still. Confidence and hard work is the best medicine to kill the descent killed failures. It will make you a success person. Don't compare your life to others. There are no comparison between in the sun and the moon. The shine when is their time. Life is the most difficult exam. Many people fail because they try to copy others, not realizing that everyone has a different question paper. Soft nature a person does not mean weakness. Remember, nothing is softer than water, but its force can break fair strong. A lesson from our hand. All fingers are not in the same light, but when they bend, all stand equal. Life becomes easy when to bend and adjust to all. Life is very complicated. Don't try to find answer, because when you find answer, life changes. The razor blade is a sharp but can't cut a tree. The axe is strong but can't cut the hair. Everyone is important according to his hair own unique person.